Hello foodies, if you were ever been to Bengaluru, you know that smell, the legendary, crispy, spicy, stained Empire Hotel chicken kebab. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create that iconic restaurant's magic right into your own kitchen. We aren't just frying the chicken, we are mastering the Empire Hotel's secret. I'm going to show you how to get that perfect crunch on the outside while keeping the meaty incredibly succulent and dipping with juices in the inside. Plus, I'll also reveal the trick to retain the perfect signature taste without losing authentic flavor. We are doing all of this using simple home ingredient, a very easy method, no gatekeeping, just the perfect authentic Empire Hotel style chicken kebab recipe. Let's see how this is done. To make this recipe, these are the ingredients what we require for the first marination. So here I have taken nearly 700 grams of freshly cut chicken, 700 grams of it. I have made it for a kebab sized pieces. Just look at this. I have washed it thoroughly and added little bit of a turmeric and kept it aside. For this I am going to add a half of the lime juice. This is a bigger one, so I'm adding half. If it's small, you can add one. Now to this is a magic. For this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt. And here comes a teaspoonful of red chilli powder, followed by 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder, and this is a half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, a 1/4 or a pinch of turmeric, or a 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder, and this is the ginger garlic paste freshly made, nearly 2 teaspoons of it. And to this, the secret ingredient is the Javitri powder. So I'm just going to add a pinch of it. And here comes the main one, the 3 teaspoons of fresh curd. And now everything is done. Mix well and make sure these masalas coat the chicken evenly. Now everything is done. Let's marinate it for 1 hour minimum or 6 hours to the best results. Now you can see that for the second marination, I have taken 1 egg. I'll crack open an egg into the separate bowl. To this I'm going to add a 1 teaspoon of chiroti rava. This is the secret ingredient we used for the crispiness of that kebab. And to this we'll add nearly 2 teaspoons of maida and 3 teaspoons of corn flour. And we'll add a little bit of salt to adjust the salt for the flour. And this is a totally optional. I'm telling you again and again, I'm just adding a 3 drops of this organic red color. If you don't want, you can completely skip it. This is a totally optional one. They'll add. That's the reason why I'm going to showing you, because it's an authentic recipe. They'll add, so that's why I'm going to add this red color. So and give it a nice mix. Mix all the ingredients. Let them amalgamate each and everything. You need to make a fine paste of it. Now look, this batter is perfectly done. It should look like this. At this time we'll add the marinated chicken. I have marinated this for about 4 to 5 hours. Now just give it a nice mix. This should be done just 20 minutes before while you are frying these chicken kebabs. That's why it's known as a second marination. Now we'll allow this to marinate for about another 20 minutes. Let's keep this aside. Now here I've taken a pan and added enough oil for the deep fry. When the oil is mediumly hot, we'll place the chicken pieces one by one. Don't crowd the pan, that's more important, and add enough oil to deep fry. Now look, let the masala hold its shape. And now look, the coating is perfectly held its shape. Now you can maneuver it. Just turn it around. And this should cook, this side it should cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. All over, the chicken needs to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. That's it. Now you can turn it. The chicken needs to cook perfectly. It will take anyway another 2 minutes or so. Now it's been nearly 7 to 8 minutes till now. You can see the chicken has got perfectly crispy texture. At this time we'll add some curry leaves. This gives a beautiful flavor and the taste for the kebabs. Now the curry leaf should get crispier. That's it. Just look at it. The kebabs are finally done. You can feel that aroma and smell in your kitchen. Now the chicken are perfectly done. That's it. And there you have it. Perfectly golden, aromatic and absolutely addictive. The authentic Empire Hotel style chicken kebab. Just look at that vibrant color and that unmistakable crust. One bite of this and you will feel like you are sitting right in the heart of our Bengaluru. If your kitchen smells as incredible as mine does right now, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button and join our food community for more authentic legendary recipes made simple. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hype this video, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite memory of eating at Empire. Thank you for watching and happy eating. We'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, Deepaks signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.